Hi, I hope you've been having a great day. Today we will learn how to draw stem and leaf plot to display data.
Hi, let's draw some stem and leaf plot. Alright, stem and leaf plot is one way to display data. We display numeric data either in ascending or descending order. Okay, the greatest value of the data will be used as the stems. Alright, so this is like thinking that we have a specific stem and then the leaf. Alright, so stem and leaf. Alright, so what we do here is that we check the greatest place value of your data, the greatest place value of your data, and then after that, we will use it as our stem. So we will create a system like here. So it's like the stem and the leaf. Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to use this like similar to a tabular data, but it will be better because you will be organizing data given. Alright, so stem, and let's draw some stem and leaf plot now. Alright, let's go and start now. For example, we have here a given data. It says the table shows the total points scored in the first beach volleyball match played for both teams of each country in the 2004 Olympics. Display the data for the men's team in a stem and leaf plot. Alright, so as you can see, we only need to focus on the data we have for here, for the men, right? Not for the women. So I'll be teaching you now the steps that you have to use so that you organize your data properly using the stem and leaf plot. First step is find the least and the greatest number. So right here we have 52, 61, 42, 44, 60, 50, 55, 42, 49, and 46. So step 1. Alright, so let's try to check. Oh, this doesn't work. Doesn't look good. Change the color. I'll make it into, I think, yeah, that would be best. So step 1, we will identify our greatest and least value. So our greatest number, as you can see, is 61. So the greatest number is 61. Okay? 61. And our lowest value is, lowest value is equal to, what? 42, right? 42, yeah. Next step, so that's the first step. The second step that you will need to do is, so we need to identify now the greatest place value digit. Remember place value? You learned it before. It's the ones. This is for whole numbers only. Tens. And then hundreds. Okay? So the place value, hundreds. So right here, we only have 2 digits. We only have 2 digits. Therefore, it's just the tens. Okay? Identify the greatest place value. Okay, the greatest place value in the digit. Okay? So, and then after that, we would now start making the stem and leaf plot. So I'll draw it here with a different color. I'll use brown. So this is the stem. The stem are the greatest place value. So we have here, it's 6 and 4. So what I want is ascending from least to greatest. So I would write 4, 5, 6. You need to touch from the smallest going to your highest. So 4, 5, and 6. And you would draw a line. Alright? So after that, you will continue. That's the second step. Draw a vertical line. Okay? The second step is drawing a vertical line. I write the stems. Okay? So draw a vertical line. I already did that. Draw a vertical line. Okay? And then write the stems. Write the stems. From 4 to 6 to the left of the line. To the left of the line. Okay, so this is our vertical line. Let's continue. Let's go to step number 3. Right, your step 3 is write the leaves to the right of the line with the corresponding stem. Okay, so we will be checking now. We will go back to our values. Right, so we will check whatever value we have here. Okay, so check the data. So we have 52, right? That's the first data says 52. So I'll write, wait, this is too large. So here, 52. Okay, and then I'll mark it so that I'm sure I did it. 61. Okay, so 6 and then 1. Next, Brazil is 42. So 4 and then 2. Next, Canada is 44. So 4, 4. Right, make some space so that you don't get confused. South Africa is 60. So you go to 6 and then you write 0 here. Then Cuba is 50. So 5 and then 0. Next, Germany is 55. So 5, 5, 55. So this is like the tens place and these are the ones place. Australia is 42. So 4 and then you write 2 again. And then Switzerland is 49. So 4 and then 9. And then Norway is 46. Okay, 4 and then 6. So this is how we do it. For example, I'll go back so that maybe you got confused how I did this. So for example, Norway 46. So what I did, the data for Norway is the 4 means the 10th digit and the 6 here is the data for Norway. So each digit in the leaf part, okay, in the leaf part means our digit in the ones place or the lowest place value. Okay, so 46 is right here. Okay, so this is our third step is input the data. Input the data. Okay, so using the leaf part. So in the leaf. Alright, so that's the third step. Now, the last step would be to rearrange them. Okay? So, rearrange them in proper, like from smallest to greatest. So, the final drawing would be, so I'll redraw. Okay, I'll use green. So, this would be the final stem and leaf plot. So, we have here stem. And then we have here leaf. Alright, let's continue. So we have here, we will write it again in order. So we have the stems are 4, 5, 6. Then check your data. 2, 2. So you will write 2, 2 first. And then this is 4, 6, and then 9. Alright? And then arrange again. So 0 should come first. And then 2. And then 5. Then last one is 0 and 1. So we have 0 and 1. So this is our stem and leaf plot drawing. Okay? So this is our final answer. Alright, wait, let me use a different color. Okay, so this is our stem and leaf plot drawing. This is the final answer. Okay, so again, if you have any question, make sure to comment down below. Alright, so this is just simple. Making the stem and leaf plot. Bye-bye. Oh, before I forgot, you have to also add a key for explanation. So you could write here, including your answer, you could write 6/0 is equal to 60 points. Alright, another way to check whether you did it right is to count your data again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you should also have 10 leaves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Hope you learned and reviewed any concept. Please comment down below whenever you have any question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for any notifications.